Good night, tutor and classmates. My name is Francita Fur. I am 23 years old. I am environment engineering student. I am married to Camilo. I live in Bogota. I don't work at this moment, just study. I spend most of my time at home. I have 2 pets, a dog, and the other is Kiara. I love animals. Descriptions. This dining room is longer than this. These chairs are bigger and more beautiful than mine. This dining set is old, but mine is modern. My dining room is black, but there is brown. I have many flowers in the dining room. They don't have flowers. They have a beige lamp on the table. I have a LED bulb. This is my first dining room. Thank you. Happy night.